Students, every day we are discussing about application of differentiation chapter. Among applications of differentiation chapter, now we are in rate measure. Until yesterday class we completed level 2. Now we are going to discuss about level 3. Rate measure level 3. Concept and level 2 yesterday we discussed. Now today we are going to discuss about rate measure level 3 sums. Rate measure level 3. First question, a particle moving on a straight line, so that its distance s from a fixed point at any time t. This is s. A particle moving on a straight line, so that the distance s from a fixed point at any time t is proportional to t power n if v is the velocity and a is the acceleration at any time. This is displacement from a particular point. Displacement indicated with the letter s. Given that given condition s is directly proportional to t power n. S is displacement. Whenever the displacement is proportional to any value, there exists a proportionate constant. Let us the proportionate constant is k. So s is equal to kt power n. Let it be first equation. Next, he given velocity and acceleration also, which indicated with the letter v and a. If v is the velocity and a is the acceleration at any time, then NAS by n minus 1. To find out, we can write here whatever he is asking the value. To find out NAS by n minus 1. A is an acceleration and s is displacement. Now we will do one thing here, differentiating both sides with respect to time. That implies velocity change of displacement ds by dt indicates with the letter velocity v. ds by dt is equal to k into n into t power n minus 1. Now v is equal to this, let it be second equation. V square is equal to, it will be useful later, v square is equal to k square into n square into t power n minus 1 whole square. K square into n square into t power n minus 1 whole square is v square. So now differentiating both sides to diff to with respect to time, with respect to t. Derivative of velocity is acceleration. This is dv by dt, indicate with the letter acceleration a, and this is also can be written as d square s by dt square. A is equal to dv by dt is equal to d square s by dt square, k into n into t power n minus 1 derivative n minus 1 into t power n minus 2, n minus 1 into t power n minus 2. Now this is a value we got like this, n into n minus 1 into t power n minus 2, n into n minus 1 into t power n minus 2 into k. Now we should calculate, already I had written here to find out the value NAS by n minus 1. Now you write NAS by n minus 1. That means here multiplying both sides n s by n minus 1, n s by n minus 1. So n into s into n minus 1 into t power n minus 2 into k whole by n minus 1. N minus 1 and n minus 1 got cancelled. That is equal to, we can write here n square into k into, instead of s we had written from equation 1 k into t power n, k into t power n. From into k, already we had written. N square into k into t power n. That is from 1 I am writing here. From 1. So that is equal to, this can be written as n square into k 2 times here, k square into t power n into, already t power n minus 2 is here. T power n minus 2. We can try to understand the t power n minus 2 as here t power n dot t power n minus 2. It becomes t power 2n minus 2. So this can be understood as n k t power n minus 1 overall whole square. Already I said that v square it will be useful as like this v square, k square into n square into n minus 1 whole square. So this can be written as v square. So the value NEAS by n minus 1 is v square. That is second option. Next, let us see second question. Now first question I have completed. Second question, a particle's velocity v at a time t is given by v is equal to 2 e power t. Velocity equation he given with respect to time. Second question. Velocity equation v is equal to 2 e power t, 2 e power 2t, 2 e power 2t into cos pi t by 3. The least value of t at which the acceleration becomes 0. At which the acceleration becomes 0. Now, let it be first equation, differentiating both sides with respect to t. A is equal to acceleration, derivative of change in velocity, dv by dt is equal to, here you try to understand that this is u, this is v. uv whole dash formula uv dash plus vu dash. So you can try to understand here e power 2t into minus sin pi t by 3 derivative of cos x, minus sin pi t by 3 into internal derivative pi by 3 uv dash completed, vu dash I am writing cos pi t by 3 into vu dash e power 2t derivative 2 into e power 2t. He given that he is asking that when the velocity, when the acceleration becomes 0. Now we can write here divide by 2 e power 2t. 2 e power 2t we can take it count. Here there is no this bracket, only for this. 2 into e power 2t into minus sin pi t by 3 into internal derivative cos and this derivative. Okay, then directly we can write here 2 e power 2t, 2 t's are 4. Now divide by 2 e power t. This can be written as 2 e power 2t divided minus pi by 3 into sin pi t by 3. Minus pi by 3 to sin pi t by 3 plus 2 e power 2t into cos pi t by 3 equal to 0. This term e power 2t no need to write, already divided. Taken term that side. So it becomes cos pi t by 3. 2 cos pi t by 3 is equal to pi by 3 into sin pi t by 3. Okay. 2 cos pi t by 3. 2 cos pi t by 3 is equal to pi by 3 into sin pi t by 3. That 2 taken this side, it becomes cos pi t by 3 is equal to pi by 6 into sin pi t by 3. That implies taken this side, it becomes reciprocal. 6 by pi is equal to cos taken this side, it becomes sin by cos tan pi t by 3. Therefore, we can write this one as pi t by 3 is equal to tan inverse of 6 by pi. Therefore, t, about t he is asking the question, t is equal to 3 by pi into tan inverse of 6 by pi. That is the time t is equal to 3 by pi tan inverse of 6 by pi. Here it is third option. Let us Go for third question. Third question, he given as the volume of a ball increases at 2 pi cubic centimeter. At 2 pi cubic centimeter per second. The rate of increase of radius when the volume is given as volume of sphere. Whenever he given it is a ball, we try to understand that it is a sphere. Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere formula, let us remember as V is equal to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Let it be first equation. He given that the volume is 288 pi cubic centimeter. Let us calculate the radius r using this one. 288 pi he given. So 288 pi is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. Take pi and pi will be getting cancelled. R cube is equal to 3 into 288 by 3 into 288 by 4 we can write. This 4 will be dividing in 288 as 72 times. So R cube can be written as 3 into 72 is 216. Therefore R equal to 6 because 6 cube is 216. R we got. Now differentiating both sides. Differentiating both sides with respect to time. Because he is asking the volume of ball at the increases, means increasing rate with respect to time, he given as 2 pi cubic centimeter per second, and we should calculate the rate of increase of radius. So radius rate increase dr by dt we should calculate. Differentiating both sides with respect to time. It becomes here dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into 3r square. Pi into 3r square dr by dt. Let us write properly. 4 by 3 into pi into 3r square dr by dt. 3 and 3 will be getting cancelled. dv by dt value, the volume which is increasing rate he given as 2 pi. So write here 2 pi is equal to 4 pi into r we calculated as 6. R square here. This is r square. So whenever it is r square, 6 square you can write here. 6 square into dr by dt. 2 pi get cancelled here and 2 times here number 1 will be there. 6 square is 36 and 36 2s are 72. Here it becomes 1. So dr by dt is equal to 1 by 72 pi. 1 by 72 not pi d. Radius the change he whatever he given. In the units we should write. In the units he given as centimeter per second. So it is second option. dr by dt is equal to, means the rate of change of radius in the given ball is 1 by 72 centimeter per second. Let us see fourth question. Fourth question. Whatever the given value, you should try to understand. First read the question properly and try to understand whatever the concept given and whatever the information given, what we should find out. A ladder AB of 10 meters long moves with its ends on axis. Axis means coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis. A ladder moves on the coordinate axis. The ladder name he put as A and B. A ladder AB 10 meters long moves with ends on axis with an end A is 6 centimeters from origin. This is O, this is A, this is 6 he given. This is a ladder. A ladder distance also he given, length of ladder also he given as 10 meters long. Length of ladder, this is 10 meters long he given. 10 meters ladder. That's all. Next, origin, with respect to origin, this is 6 meters he given. It moves away from it at 2 meters per minute. So 2 meters per minute, the rate of here try to understand once again. A ladder AB 10 meters long moves with its ends on axis. Already drawn the diagram. When the end A is 6 meters from the origin, that one also indicated. Next it moves away from it. ఎక్కడి నుంచి అంటే ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి ఇది 2 meters per minute లో మూవ్ అవుతున్నది. అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ x అనుకుంటే dx by dt he given as dx by dt అనేటటువంటిది ఎట్లా ఇచ్చాడంటే మనకి 2 meters per minute. 2 meters per minute he given the data. Then area of triangle, increase of rate of area of triangle. Area of triangle లో increase rate find out చేయాలి. Let it be y తీసుకున్నాం, అది మనకి ఏమీ ఇవ్వలేదు. Using right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem, this is 6 he given and this is 10 he given. So y square we can say that, you write the formula Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square is equal to 10 square here. According to formula, in triangle I am writing like this. In triangle OAB, this one B. In triangle OAB, x square plus y square is equal to 100. Let it be first equation, it will be useful data. Next, x square already 6 he given, means it is 36 plus y square we should calculate. 36 plus y square is equal to 100. So y square becomes as 64 and y is 8. Here we indicate the length of OB as 8. It's okay. Next, now we will do one thing, differentiating both sides with respect to time. Differentiating both sides with respect to time. Then you write like this, 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt. 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt is equal to, the derivative of constant 100 is 0, we have written here, and it was divided by 2. Then here we can write as x dx by dt plus y dy by dt is equal to 0. We got the value here, x is 6 he given and dx by dt also we have and y is also have. Now we can calculate the value dy by dt using this equation. That implies x value he given as 6. Then 6 into here you substitute the value 2. 6 into 2. 6 into 2 plus y 8 already we calculated into dy by dt you write here dy by dt. Therefore here you can write that dy by dt is equal to minus 12 by 8. Fourth table will be get cancelled as 3 by 2 times. Therefore dy by dt is equal to, we got as minus 3 by 2. Okay, keep it aside, it will be useful because we should calculate the rate of change of area of a right angle triangle. Area of this triangle, you use the formula 1 by 2 into base into height. Here base is x and height is y. In right angle triangle, area 1 by 2 into x into y you write. Area 1 by 2 into x into y. Now you write here differentiating both sides with respect to time. Why? Because we should calculate the value of area, increasing rate area with respect to time. So dA by dt is equal to, again you use the formula as uv dash plus vu dash, x dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Everything value we calculated previously. 1 by 2 into what is the value of x here, x 6, x value 6, and dy by dt just now we calculated as minus 3 by 2 plus y value 8 and dx by dt he given as 2. The value we can consider this one 3 times 8 to the 16 minus 9 7. You can say that the value of increase Rate in the area is 7/2. Already he given as a square meter per minute. Area indicates units as square meter per minute, already he given. So now let us see fifth sum. This is fourth one is completed now. Next, fifth sum. Fifth question: a kite flying at the height h meter. A kite flying at height h meter has x meters of string paid out at time t seconds. A kite, fifth question. A kite is flying h meter height, x meters of string. This string and third. This string. This height h. Kite itla undi. This height h. This kite approach. A kite flying at height h meters has x meters of string. Okay, this string x meters తీసుకుందాం. ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ అంతా ఇదంతా కూడా x meters. So let it be, the place is y. X meters at t seconds the string paid out. అంటే ఇట్లా మూవ్ చేస్తుండగా ఆ థ్రెడ్ తెగి పడిపోతుంది. ఎక్కడ అంటే t seconds దగ్గర. If the kite moves horizontally, diagram horizontal గానే వేసాము, with constant velocity. You try to understand that constant velocity given horizontal height, horizontal గా ఇది కైట్ ఎగురుతూ ఉంది. ఈ ఎగురుతున్నటువంటి నేపథ్యంలో మనకి కాన్స్టెంట్ వెలాసిటీ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి dy/dt is equal to v అన్నాడు. ఇట్స్ ఏ కాన్స్టెంట్ వెలాసిటీ. అంటే ఆప్షన్ అన్ని v ప్రకారం మనకి ఇచ్చి ఉన్నాడు. సో దాని ప్రకారం చూద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్, ఇఫ్ ద కైట్ హారిజాంటల్ కాన్స్టెంట్ వెలాసిటీ v మీటర్ per second, then the rate at which the string paid out. The rate at which string paid out, and dx/dt you should calculate using to find out, right? To find dx/dt using this one also right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, x square plus y square is equal to h square. H is constant here. X square plus y square is equal to h square. dy/dt he given. dx/dt we should calculate. Now diff both sides with respect to time. Diff both sides with respect to t. So you write here 2x dx/dt plus 2y dy/dt. 2x dx/dt plus 2y dy/dt is equal to 0. So x into dx/dt. X into dx/dt is equal to minus y into dy/dt. So x into dx/dt. X into dx/dt is equal to minus y into dy/dt. He given as a constant velocity. So x into dx/dt is equal to minus y into v, right? Therefore you can write here dx/dt is equal to minus y into v by x. That implies dx/dt is equal to minus y. Y means here, using right angle triangle, we can say that x square plus y square is equal to h square. Y square is equal to h square minus x square. Y is equal to root of h square minus x square, right? Root of h square minus x square. Root of h square minus x square into v whole by x. dx/dt paid out. This is negative. Anyhow paid out అంటే కంప్లీట్ తెగిపోవడం కాబట్టి అది నెగిటివ్లో ఉంది. అంటే అతని ఆన్సర్ ఏంటంటే విచ్ దాని రేట్ విచ్ స్ట్రింగ్ పెయిడ్ అవుట్ అనేది మనం అతను నెగిటివ్లో ఇచ్చినా మనం పెయిడ్ అవుట్ కాబట్టి అది మీరు పాజిటివ్గా తీసుకోవాలి. ఆప్షన్ 3 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ లెట్ us discuss about sixth sum. This land height, here we can write, this land height of a cone is fixed 7 centimeters. the rate of increase in the volume of the cone corresponding to the rate of increase 0.3 centimeters per second. Let us write the diagram of a cone. The slant height of a cone is fixed. Slant height indicated with the letter L. Slant height, this is height H, this is slant height L, and this is base radius R. The slant height of a cone fixed at 7 centimeters. L is equal to 7 he given. The rate of increase in the volume of the cone corresponding to rate increase of 0.3 centimeter per second in the height when H equal to 4 centimeters. To find out, you should calculate, to find out the rate of increase of volume dV by dt, you should calculate. Given dH by dt, dH by dt is equal to 0.3 he given. Write the formula volume of the cone. Volume of the cone V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square H. Here he given, he discussed about dH by dt and L is constant given. He is not at all discussing about R. So in right circular cylinder we can write that 1 by 3 into, instead of R square, L square minus H square you can write. L square minus H square into H. Next step, H multiply with H. So V is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into L square H minus H cube becomes. V is equal to, you write like this, pi by 3 into L square H minus H cube. Now diff both sides with respect to time, differentiating both sides with respect to time. So here you can write dV by dt is equal to pi by 3 into L square is constant here. Already he given L is constant, number 7 also given, you can substitute later. dH by dt minus 3H square into dH by dt, that is equal to, we can write here pi by 3 into L value 7 square is 49 and dH by dt is 0.3. You substitute here 0.3 minus 3 into, he given in the question that you calculate the derivative of height whenever he given H is equal to 4. When he given 4, you substitute the value 4. 3 into 4 square into dH by dt also 0.3 given. So you can substitute the value instead of H 4 and instead of dH by dt 0.3. You write here given value H is equal to 4 centimeters. 49 into 0.3 minus 3 into 4 square into 0.3. 3 into 4 square is 48 because 4 square 60 to 63 is 48. If 0.3 you can take a common, pi by 3 into 0.3 into, it becomes 49 minus 48, it is 1. So 3 will be getting cancelled, 0.1. So 0.1 pi. That answer he given as pi by 10. 0.1 pi he given as pi by 10, first option. Now let us discuss about 7th question. 7th question given as A is a fixed point. ఈ రేట్ మెజర్ లెవెల్ 3 ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ చదవాలి స్టూడెంట్స్. క్వశ్చన్ చదివి దాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకుని డేటా ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. కంప్లీట్గా చదవండి. If A is a fixed point on the circumference of circle, he is discussing about circle. A is a fixed point. A is a fixed point on the circumference of circle with center O and radius R. O center is itla define cheyandi, idi O with center O and radius R. A particle starts at A and moves the circumference with an angular velocity 4 radian per second. A is moving, a particle starts at A and moves the circumference with an angular velocity. Move angular velocity. Yesterday we discussed about the angular velocity, the velocity which is the angle which is making a positive direction of x-axis. The angle made by the positive direction of x-axis is angular velocity. The angular velocity, with angular velocity 4 radians per second. Whenever he given radians per second, you should try to understand that angular velocity given as d theta by dt is equal to 4 radians per second. 4 radians per second he given. Next, m is the foot of perpendicular of P on the diameter. Okay. M is the foot of perpendicular. This is P. Diameter is full diameter. M on a particular point is the radius R. Let it be considered as M. Let M is the moving point on the diameter. P is on the M is the foot of perpendicular. M is the foot of perpendicular of P on the diameter. Then the rate at which now I am discussing about 8th question. Same 8th and 7th are same. Same question. Okay, no problem. A is fixed point of circumference of circle with center point radius R. A particle starts at A and moves on the circumference with circle, angular velocity 4 radians per second. Pm is perpendicular. Okay. POM is equal to pi by 3. Okay. 7th question. POM is equal to pi by 3. POM equal to pi by 3, then the rate at which the area of triangle POM decreases. Area of triangle POM decreases. Triangle POM d by dt of area. Let the area is d by dt of capital A. Then you should calculate, find area. It's okay. Now d theta by dt is equal to 4 radians is given. Let it be x. Let it be OM is x. Okay. PM be y. Now using triangle OMP. Using triangle OMP. OMP triangle cos theta of cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means here only radius. So OM is equal to R cos theta. We write simply OM is equal to R cos theta. OM means x. X is equal to R cos theta. Okay. Next. In same triangle, we use sin theta. Sin theta is equal to y by r. You can write directly. Y by r. Therefore, y is equal to r sin theta. Y is equal to r sin theta. Now, area of triangle formula we can discuss. Area is equal to area of triangle. He is asking about POM. Okay. Area of triangle POM formula 1 by 2 into OM into PM, half into base into height. Therefore, A is equal to 1 by 2 into OM value we had written as R cos theta, and this one Y we had written as R sin theta. So A is equal to, here you can write R square by 2 into sin theta cos theta. R square by 2 into sin theta cos theta. Next step, with 2 multiply and divide with the number 2. Then it becomes A is equal to R square by 4 into, here if multiplied with 2, it becomes 2 sin theta cos theta. The formula of 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So you write here R square by 4 into sin 2 theta. Now dA by d theta we can calculate. dA by if we given dA d theta by d with respect to time, we can calculate. Okay, you write here diff both sides with respect to time. With respect to time, dA by dt is equal to r square. Radius is constant. We are discussing about angle. R square by 4 into what is the derivative of sine cos 2 theta here, and internal derivative 2. So you can write here as 2 cos 2 theta into internal derivative d theta by dt. It's okay. Next step, r square by 4 into 2 into, he given as angle POM theta is pi by 3. Here I am writing yet theta is equal to pi by 3. So 2 into, you write here cos 2 pi by 3 into d theta by dt value 4. So here 4 and 4 will be getting cancelled. That is equal to r square into 2 into cos 2 pi by 3 value minus 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. So r square minus r square is the answer. So it is moving or varying with radius minus a decrease అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ r square అని చెప్తాం, సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ let us going to discuss about 8th question. 8th question and 7th question data same, but what we should calculate, you read the question. 8th question, A is the end, A is an end of diameter of a particle with center O and radius 2. Data same. akkada ikkada kuda A is an end of diameter of a circle with center O and radius 2. If a particle P is starting from O, once again I am drawing the diagram. A is the particle. Let center O. This is O. This is A. This is P. Same. I think it given the same data. If particle P starting from A moves a circle with angular velocity 4 radians. Same concept given. Angular velocity 4. This is theta. Given d theta by dt is equal to 4 here also. And m is the foot of perpendicular from P on the diameter. Then rate at which m moving on the diameter when it is a distance 1 unit from O. M moving on the diameter. If it is m, let it be x. If it is 1 unit, simply you write in bracket. If it is 1 unit, that is given value. So d theta by dt he given. Now what we should find out? To find out d by dt of OM, we thought this one as x. So that is equal to d by dt of x. You should calculate this what? d by dt of x calculate చేయాలి. సో ఇక్కడ d by dt of x అంటే సేమ్ ఇంతకుముందు కాన్సెప్ట్ లాగే పర్పెండిక్యులర్ పెట్టండి. యూజింగ్ ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ OMP. In triangle OMP cos theta is equal to x by r, same concept. Right here x is equal to, let it be r. X is equal to r cos theta. If you denote this one as y, see this one also y is equal to r sin theta. I think no need this one because here he is asking about dx by dt only. Dx by dt, x is equal to r cos theta. Okay, here only now you diff it as both sides with respect to time. Diff both sides with respect to time. Dx by dt we need it. Dx by dt is equal to r is constant and minus sin theta cos theta derivative and d theta by dt. D theta by dt. If he gives, previously we discussed about ikkada 1 unit అని ఇచ్చాడు. X is equal to 1 unit. If it is 1 unit, then what it becomes? 8th question, A is an end of diameter of circle with center point radius 2 he given. Okay, radius 2 he given. R is equal to 2. So dx by dt you write here dx by dt 2 into sin theta into d theta by dt. 2 because radius 2 he given. Now we can say that cos theta is equal to x by r. What is x? Whenever the value, the distance is 1 unit from r అని ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు cos theta is equal to ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేయండి. Cos theta you write here. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 because r is equal to 2 he given and yet the particular instant x value 1 he given. Then cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 you write. Whenever cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, theta becomes pi by 3. In the previous question he given the value directly. In this question we should calculate using the data. Theta is equal to pi by 3. That implies dx by dt is equal to, using this one, 2 into sin 60 degrees into d theta by dt. D theta by dt he given as 4. That is equal to 2 into, what is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2 into 4. 2 get cancelled. That is equal to value 4 root 3. Maybe here minus sin theta is there, decreasing rate, put minus, it becomes minus 4 root 3. So it is decreasing rate, it becomes minus 4 root 3, second option. Now let us discuss ninth question. Eighth one completed, ninth question. A wheel rotates, again, idantha angular rotation, circular momentum concept. A wheel rotates so that angle of rotation, a wheel rotates so that angle of rotation theta proportional to square of the time. Theta is directly proportional to t square. Whenever proportional exists, then proportionate constant exists. Theta is equal to kt square. Now, whatever the data he given, proportional to square of time, the first revolution was performed by the wheel for 8 seconds. First revolution. Revolution means if a particle starts from rest and completing the full rotation in 360 degrees angles or 2 pi radians, it is called as a revolution. First revolution, first revolution, you write. And a dot angle not. First revolution means 2 pi degrees. Theta is equal to 2 pi degrees. First revolution, he said that first revolution completed in how many seconds? 8 seconds. Then you substitute the value 2 pi is equal to k into t is equal to 8 he given. K into t square the equation, using the equation 8 square. 2 pi is equal to 64k you write. Then you will be getting the value 2 pi by 64. K is equal to 2 pi by 64. Whenever k is equal to 2 pi by 64, it becomes pi by 32. Let the value k is equal to pi by 32. Next, what we should calculate? Angular velocity at this time. This particular time of angular velocity kavali. So you should calculate d theta by dt. Calculating d theta by dt with respect to time, the angular velocity, differentiating both sides. Let it be first equation and you write here as diff 1 both sides with respect to time. Then it becomes d theta by dt is equal to 2kt. dt, next step, d theta by dt is equal to 2 into k value. Just now we calculated as k value pi by 32. In t already put in the box, t is equal to 8. Then you write here t is equal to 8. 2 8 are 16, will be getting cancelled, 32 as 2 times, then it becomes pi by 2. So angle is pi by 2. అంటే 90 degrees అని ఆర్థోగోనల్ అని ఇంకొక రకంగా ఆప్షన్ ఇస్తుంటాడు. ఇది మీరు గమనించుకోండి, ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. పై బై 2 రేడియన్స్ పర్ సెకండ్. ఒకవేళ డిగ్రీస్ అడిగితే 90 రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ 10th క్వశ్చన్ లెట్ us discuss. 9th question completed. 10th question, a conical vessel of height. This is also important bit. This is mains question. a conical vessel of height 10 meters and radius 5 meter. A conical vessel. A conical vessel. Conical vessel అన్నది కాబట్టి ఇన్వర్టెడ్ కోన్ కాబట్టి జనరల్ కోన్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఎట్లా వేసిన ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. బట్ ఏ కోనికల్ వెజల్ ఆఫ్ హైట్ 10 meters. A conical vessel. A conical vessel of height 10 meters. This is height. This is 10 meters. 10 equal to h, right? A conical vessel of height 10 meters and radius 5 meters is being filled. Radius is base radius. R is equal to 5, right? R is equal to 5. So base radius 5. A conical vessel, height h is equal to 10 and radius 5, is being filled with water uniform rate of 3/2 cubic meters per minute. The rate at which the level of water rises. So dV by dt he given. అంటే ఏ లెవెల్లో వాటర్ ఇట్లా ఇలా వాటర్ పోస్తున్నాం, ఇది వాటర్ ఫ్లో అవుతుంది. ఏ రేట్లో ఫ్లో అవుతుంది అంటే dV by dt is equal to 3/2. dV by dt equal to 3/2 cubic meters per minute. The rate at which the level of water increases when the depth is 4 meter. అంటే ఇక్కడ డౌన్ వాటర్ ట్యాంకులో వాటర్ ఫిల్ అవుతున్నది మనం ఊహించుకుంటే పైనుంచి వాటర్ పడుతుంటే ఇలా డౌన్ నుంచి ట్యాంక్ ఫిల్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఒక కోనికల్ వెజల్లో ఒక క్యాండిడేట్ వాటర్ పోస్తున్నాడు, రేడియస్ 5 ఉంది, హైట్ 10 ఉంది, ఇట్లా వాటర్ పైకి ఎత్తుంది. టోటల్ హైట్ 10 లేకుండా హైట్ 4 దగ్గర ఏ లెవెల్లో మనకి dH by dt డెప్త్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో dV by dt is equal to 3/2 కాబట్టి you should understand the formula and you should know the formula. Volume of cone V equal to 1/3 pi r square h. He given the relation as r is equal to 5 and h is equal to 10. When he given r is equal to 5 and h is equal to 10, you should try to understand 2 into 5 equal to 10. Then 2r is equal to h he given. Then you write here 2r equal to h. So instead of r, h equal to 2 you write. 2r equal to h directly it not give, but he given the relation r is equal to 5 and h is equal to 10, then automatically you will be knowing the relation r is equal to h by 2. Then you substitute the value 1/3 into pi into r place to h by 2 and h by 2 whole square into h. V is equal to pi by 3 into, this is h square into h cube by 8, right? 4, h cube by 4 only, because this is h by 2 whole square, 1/3. So V is equal to, you write here pi by 12 h cube. Now you write diff both sides with respect to time. So dV by dt is equal to 3 pi h square by 12 dH by dt. 3 get cancelled 4 times. So pi h dV by dt already given. dV by dt may given as 3/2. So the rate at which you write here 3/2. 3/2 equal to pi into h he given at 4. H you write here 4 simply. H is equal to 4. You write here as instant. Instant at a particular point. ఇక్కడ పర్టిక్యులర్ పాయింట్ దగ్గర 4 స్క్వేర్ వచ్చింది by 4. dH by dt simply you write. This one you should carry correct. 4 square cut shape. ఇప్పుడు dH by dt is equal to 4 taken, 4 pi taken this side. So it becomes 3/2 4s are 8 pi. 3/8 pi is the answer. Next, let us discuss 11th sum. 11th sum. A balloon is in the shape of a cone surmounted by semisphere. Semisphere wrong, hemisphere anali. A balloon is in the shape of surmounted by hemisphere. A balloon is in the shape, 11th question. This is balloon. A balloon is in the shape of surmounted by hemisphere. ఇది balloon ఇలా ఇచ్చాడు. Surmounted by hemisphere అన్నారు. The radius of sphere is equal to height of the cone. Given data ప్రయాణించాడు. Given r is equal to h because radius of sphere is equal to height of the cone. If the height of the balloon is 2, height 2 ఇచ్చాడు. If the height of the balloon is 2, then rate of change in volume is dash times height is equal to 2. ఇది given అని చెప్పి డేటా రాద్దాం. Height h is equal to 2. Then the rate of change in its volume is dash times the rate of change in its height. వాల్యూమ్ చేంజ్ హైట్ చేంజ్లో ఎంత రేట్ తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ హెమిస్ఫియర్ అన్నారు ఒకటి, నెక్స్ట్ సిలిండర్ కోన్ 2. సో కోన్ అండ్ హెమిస్ఫియర్ 2 వాల్యూమ్లు కలిపి టోటల్ వాల్యూమ్ అవుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ స్పియర్? ఫార్ములా 4/3 πr³. వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ హెమిస్ఫియర్? హెమి అంటే హాఫ్, 4/3 πr³ హాఫ్ 2/3 πr³. సో టోటల్ వాల్యూమ్ యు రైట్. Total volume V is equal to V1 plus V2. What is the value of V1? Cylinders, cone formula 1/3 πr² h. This is 1/3 πr² h plus V2 is hemisphere. Spherical volume V is equal to 4/3 πr³ and this is hemi కాబట్టి సగం 2/3 πr³. Given the data, r is equal to h. So this you can write as r and h is same. So to substitute the value r and h same, then it becomes h cube because r square is h square plus h. 2/3 into this one also pi h cube. First you read the data. What we should calculate? H height times ante h anali lekunte r anali. The rate of change its volume is dash times of change in height. Okay, అంటే dh/dt చేయాలి. సో pi h cube plus 2 pi h cube రెండు యాడ్ చేయాలి. అంటే pi h cube కామన్, pi h cube by 3 plus 2 pi h cube by 3, then it becomes 3 pi h cube by 3. ఆ 3 get cancel చేసేయండి. 3 get cancel చేసేస్తే v is equal to pi h cube అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు diff both sides అన్నాం. Diff both sides with respect to time. అంటే dv/dt is equal to 3 pi h square dh/dt. ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ dv/dt ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు, dh/dt ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు. బట్ యూ షుడ్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ద వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూమ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు టైమ్, దట్ ఈస్ dv/dt చేంజింగ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు టైమ్ అని అడిగాడు. అంటే వెన్ h is equal to అక్కడ రాశాను గివెన్ అని చూడండి, h is equal to 2. You substitute here dv/dt is equal to 3 pi into h value 2 whenever he given it becomes 4 because h square into dh/dt. Simply the answer is 12 pi. అంటే ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ మూవ్ అవుతుందంటే 12 pi టైమ్స్ ఉంటుంది అనేటటువంటిది ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ 12th క్వశ్చన్ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ బేస్ చేసి ఉంటుంది. లెవెల్ 3 అంతా కూడా మల్టిపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ మల్టీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్లో మనకి మెన్జురేషన్, డెరివేటివ్స్, మినిమం మ్యాక్సిమా, ఇంక్రీజింగ్ డిక్రీజింగ్ అండ్ హైట్స్ అండ్ డిస్టెన్స్, సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్, ఇన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్లు మెర్జ్ అయిపోయి ఉన్నాయి. మనకి రేట్ మెథడ్ టాపిక్లో ఈ రేట్ మెథడ్ టాపిక్ సంబంధించి మ్యాక్సిమం ఈ లెవెల్ 3 అంతా మెయిన్స్కి సంబంధించి ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు 12th క్వశ్చన్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఏ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ లైట్, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మెల్లగా చదువుకొని అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. ఏ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఈజ్ హంగ్ h మీటర్స్. సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ హంగ్ h మీటర్స్. ఇది లైట్ అన్నాం, ఇక్కడి నుంచి లైట్ అని రాసేస్తాం. ఏ లైట్, సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ హంగ్, ఇదంతా h మీటర్స్. సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ హంగ్ h మీటర్స్ డైరెక్ట్లీ above a straight horizontal path, directly above a straight horizontal path. అట్లాగే డయాగ్రామ్ వేసాం. horizontal path on which a boy a meters in height is walking. If a boy walks at a rate of b meters per second, find the light then the rate at which the shadow increases. సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ అంటే ఇట్లా బాయ్ లైట్ దగ్గర స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ముందుకు వస్తుంటే మన షాడో వెనక్కి పడుతుంది. ఇట్లా చూసుకోండి, షాడో ముందుకే పడుతుంది. అంటే మనం లైట్ దగ్గర స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాడు, బాయ్ ముందుకు వెళ్తున్నాడు. బాయ్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు, బాయ్ అనుకోండి. ఇక్కడ బాయ్ ఎన్ని మీటర్స్ అంటే బాయ్ ఇంకా కొంచెం నీట్గా డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. ఏ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ హంగ్ హెచ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ అబౌవ్. ఇంకా లెంత్ పెంచుకుంటే డయాగ్రమ్ క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇట్లా ఫస్ట్ ఇది డ్రా చేసాం. ఇక్కడ పెట్టండి, ఇది బాయ్, బాయ్ ఇది లైట్. A source of light hung h meters directly above a straight horizontal path on which a boy a meters. ఈ బాయ్ యొక్క లెంత్ ఏ మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. If a boy walks at rate of b meter per second from the light, then rate at which shadow increases. ఇది షాడో. ఈ బాయ్ యొక్క షాడో ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఈ షాడోని మీరు y అనుకోండి. ఈ బాయ్ మూవ్ అయ్యే ప్లేస్ x అనుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ dx by dt గివెన్ అంటే బాయ్ హైట్ a, బాయ్ మూవ్ అయ్యే రేటు b. యూ షుడ్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్, ఇక్కడ రాసేస్తున్నా టు ఫైండ్ dy by dt, షాడో మూవ్ అయ్యే ప్లేస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. దెన్ రేట్ విచ్ ద షాడో ఇంక్రీజెస్. పేర్లు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, నేమ్స్ ఏమైనా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, ABCD అండ్ E. ఇప్పుడు యూజింగ్ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్, ఈ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ అంటే స్మాల్ బై స్మాల్ ఈక్వల్ టు లార్జ్ బై లార్జ్, లేదా లార్జ్ బై లార్జ్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్మాల్ బై స్మాల్. ఏది లార్జ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ కంపేరింగ్ లో h బై a ఇది కంపేర్ చేయొచ్చు బై x ప్లస్ y, ఈ సైడ్ బై ఈ సైడ్ అండ్ ఈ లార్జ్ సైడ్ బై ఈ స్మాల్ సైడ్. ఏ స్మాల్ సైడ్ చేయాలంటే షాడో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఇది బైలో పెట్టాలి, ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఇది బైలో పెట్టాలి. చూడండి, యూజింగ్ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఇన్ అంటే మీకు అర్థమయ్యేలాగా ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి. ఎన్ని ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఉన్నాయో చెప్తున్నా. ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఏబిసి అండ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ బిసిఈ. ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిఈ లార్జ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అండ్ బిసిఈ స్మాల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. అందులో హెచ్ బై ఏ, హెచ్ అంటే హైట్, ఏ అంటే బాయ్, ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై బై వై. యూ షుడ్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్. నౌ h by a is equal to x by y plus 1, you write. Next step, h by a minus 1 equal to x by y, you write. X by y is equal to, take an LCM, it becomes h minus a by a. So dy by dt you should calculate. y ni subject ga cheyandi ante y by x is equal to a by h minus a. y is equal to ax by h minus a. ఇప్పుడు diff both sides అర్థం. diff both sides with respect to time. diff both sides with respect to time. with respect to time ప్రతిదానికి వాడుతున్నాం. సో dy by dt is equal to a by h minus a into dx by dt. So dy by dt is equal to a into dx by dt అంటే బాయ్ మూవ్ అయ్యే ప్లేస్ అతను b అని ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి ab by h minus a రాయొచ్చు. dy by dt is equal to ab by h minus a. ab by h, first option. Okay, let us discuss about 13th question. 13th క్వశ్చన్ కూడా సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫార్ములానే ఉంటుంది. ఇది కూడా మల్టీ కాన్సెప్టే. 13th క్వశ్చన్, ఏ ల్యాంప్, ఇది కూడా ఏ ల్యాంప్ ఆఫ్ నెగ్లిజిబుల్ హైట్. రీడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఏ ల్యాంప్ ఆఫ్ నెగ్లిజిబుల్ హైట్ హెచ్ ప్లేస్, ఏ ల్యాంప్ ఆఫ్ నెగ్లిజిబుల్ హైట్ ప్లేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద గ్రౌండ్ L1 away from a ball. A lamp of negligible height. The lamp తీసుకోండి. A lamp of negligible height is placed on a ground L1. ఇది వాల్ తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ ఒక ల్యాంప్ ఉంది, L ఉంటుంది, ఇది ల్యాంప్ అన్నారు. A lamp of negligible height is placed on the ground L1 away from a ball. వాల్ నుంచి L1 ఇదంతా L1లో ఉన్నది, డిస్టెన్స్లో ఉంది. ఏ మ్యాన్ L2 మీటర్ టాల్ వాకింగ్ ఎట్ ఎ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్, ఇది మ్యాన్. ఫస్ట్ ఇలా డ్రా చేశారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ మ్యాన్. A man whose height is L2. A man L2 meter tall walking speed of L1 by 10 meter per second from the lamp to nearest point on the wall. Then he is midway between lamp and the wall. ఈ మ్యాన్ అంటే ఇది ఎక్స్ అనుకో, ఇది కూడా ఎక్స్ అవుతుంది. అయితే మిడ్వే కాన్సెప్ట్ అన్నారు, మిడ్ పాయింట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. When he is midway between lamp and the wall, the rate of change in the length of his shadow on the wall, అతను లైట్ వైపు వస్తున్నాడు, అప్పుడు వాల్ మీద షేడ్ ఏ విధంగా పడుతుంది అంటే ఇది y అనుకుంటే ఇది మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఒకవేళ ఇది h అనుకుంటే h అని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇది L2 అనేటటువంటి మ్యాన్ స్పీడ్ ఇచ్చాడు. మళ్ళీ ఇది పేరు పెట్టండి, ABCDE అని పేరు పెడదాం. ఇప్పుడు యూజింగ్ మళ్ళీ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ రాస్తాం. సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్. యూజింగ్ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ABE, ట్రయాంగిల్ DCE, స్మాల్ లార్జ్ బై లార్జ్, స్మాల్ బై స్మాల్ అలా రాస్తుంటాం. అంటే y by L2 is equal to L1 by x. So y is equal to L1 L2 by x. y is equal to L1 L2 by x అని రాద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఇది డిఫ్ బోత్ సైడ్ చేద్దాం. డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్ చేస్తే dy by dt is equal to L1 L2 లెంత్లు కాబట్టి కాన్స్టెంట్లు, 1/x² డెరివేటివ్ 1/x డెరివేటివ్ మైనస్ 1/x² ఇంటూ dx by dt. ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ మనం ఎలా రాయాలంటే L1 L2 ఇంటూ x². x అంటే మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ L1 ఇచ్చాడు, మిడ్ పాయింట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అక్కడ రాశాను కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనం రాయాల్సింది dl బై ఇక్కడ L1/2 అని రాయాలి. L1/2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ dx by dt అంటే మ్యాన్ మూవ్ అవుతున్నది, మ్యాన్ ముందుకు మూవ్ అవుతున్నది. అతను ఏ స్పీడ్లో ఇచ్చాడంటే L1/10 అని ఇచ్చాడు. అంటే dx ప్లేస్లో L1/10 రాయండి. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్లో మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే మైనస్ L1² అంటే ఇక్కడ L1 ఇంటూ L1² రాసేద్దాం ఇంటూ L2 హోల్ బై L1² ఇంటూ ఈ 4 ఇక్కడ రాసేయండి 4/10. దట్స్ ఆల్. L1² get cancel. That is equal to here the formula 4/10 we got as -2/5 L2 -2/5 L2 meter per second. సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేసాము. రేపు ఫిజిక్స్కి సంబంధించిన మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ సమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. లెట్ us discuss in tomorrow class. Okay.